What if I told you this creature has no brain, no heart, and no eyes, but it's still alive? Meet the amazing sea sponge. Sea sponges live on the ocean floor and may look like plants, but they're actually animals. They survive by filtering tiny food particles from the water. Some sea sponges can filter thousands of liters every single day. And here's the creepy part. They can regrow damaged body parts, almost like a real-life superhero. Scientists also study sea sponges because they may help create new medicines in the future. So next time you see a sponge in the ocean, remember, it's alive. Subscribe for more weird ocean creatures.